Craft your imagination.
Here's how to make a cute googly-eyed bunny bookmark. You'll need a square piece of pink paper, light blue paper, dark pink paper, 2 googly eyes, and a glue stick. First, take a sheet of light pink coloring measuring 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters and fold it in half. Take one corner and fold it upwards. Now take the corner from the right side and fold it down. Take the corner from the left side and fold it down. Fold both equally. Now, turn it and fold the bottom corners inward. Then you'll take the 2 googly eyes to give it a bunny look. Take the glue stick and paste the googly eyes on the bookmark with the help of the glue. Make a small triangle with a piece of pink color and glue it to the bunny to make a nose. To make the ears of the bunny, take a sheet of the blue color and cut it in such a way where the ears fit. Cut out the pink color sheet and glue it to the blue sheet. Now, take the glue and these 2 ears on the bunny's head. To make the bunny's teeth, take a small piece of white paper and draw a line in the middle with a marker. The cute bunny corner bookmark is ready.